Introducing the CP734 Heavy Duty half-inch impact trench, a legendary tool renowned for its exceptional performance. Equipped with the Dyna-Pack oil bath clutch, it offers both smooth operation and incredible durability, making it ideal for various tasks, from general repairs to transmission work, exhaust systems, and body shops. Boasting a working torque of 25 to 310 foot-pounds and a maximum torque of 425 foot-pounds, it's a true powerhouse. With 1020 blows per minute and a free speed of 8,400 RPM, it swiftly handles any job. Experience the perfect blend of power, reliability, and affordability all in one package. Shop JB and save